Welcome back, VST here, let me say. Finally, we have something that is very close to a complete June changelog. Samsung June update, or at least a changelog for the camera. And this has been posted on the Samsung community forum in Korean, guys. And I'm just showing you, this is right now the original. I have translated this and I'm gonna read this through with you. I also see that Samsung pushed a new version of the camera assistant with something that really corresponds to what they're saying here, namely the adaptive pixel. So let's just read it through, guys, and let me test this over the course of the next days. So this here is the guy in charge of the camera. Introducing the Gallery S23 camera Gallery June update. So it's camera and Gallery S23 June update. Like photo mode, improved 2x sharpness for portrait mode, added zoom icon, and added the ability to delete video clips from gallery motion photos at once. We also added wide distortion correction to Photo Remaster, and this here, guys, is brand new as well, adaptive pixel off to camera assistant. In addition, we have optimized the camera quality and performance, so if you have any questions while using it, we'll respond quickly. So I know a lot of people are happy. I personally am happy with almost everything, not with the fact that still I am not able to shoot moving people, kids, and running kids, dogs, whatsoever. But if you have any problems, guys, just go under this thread. I'm gonna link it and post your feedback there. They added the zoom icon for 2x shooting in portrait mode, which I tested extensively. It's just pretty much a crop. Improved sharpness for 3x shooting in low light. Generally, I don't have any bad feedback on the low light photos. Some people think that the noise is too much. Chris, for example, doesn't really like the new low light photos. I'm happy. AP to improve sensor characteristics and image quality. Alright, support models S23. So let me just read this through, guys. I'm gonna skip what is not interesting. Photo Remaster, there is the function to correct the distortion of a person at the edge of an image taken with wide lens. Not really care about this. Added the function to correct distortion of a person at the edge of the screen when shooting with a zoom 1x to 1.5x with wide lens in photo mode. Support models selected in consideration of AP performance for portrait segmentation, corrected position calculation and warping processing. I mean, you know it's translated. Added a function to turn off adaptive pixel. This is really interesting, guys. What the hell is adaptive pixel? Automatically change optimal pixels according to the characteristics of the landscape and the brightness environment when shooting with high pixels in camera assistant. So I will have to test this for sure. I'll also update now my camera assistant, guys, adaptive pixel on and off. Let's just read it through one more time. Automatically change optimal pixel according to the characteristic of the landscape and the brightness environment. Alright, good. This sounds like a clever thing. Then, guys, HDR compositing error that occurred immediately when shooting in bad light conditions. This is here, I think, the whole glow thing. After select the speed priority in. Camera settings have been improved. Selected speed priority, so improved near sharpness when recording 0.6 Super Stereo on S23 Ultra. Optimize the picture mode preview to move smoothly when moving the device left and right in low light. Improved color and sky expression in high pixel shooting in photo mode. Optimized to minimize the color shift when switching lenses from wide to tele, which I tested in my videos on certain solid color backgrounds. And alright, they're just checking all the members' feedback. So this is really the closest we get to a proper changelog, at least for camera and gallery, guys. Now I'm going to update the camera assistant. If you have the S23, S21 too, please do the same and let's test it, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And if you have some feedback, go under this post, share your feedback there. Thank you so much for watching. VST over and bye.